Hi guys, Big Bang Biker here. I am near Esteem Mall here with Biker 390 and Roadrunner 250. These are the motovloggers from Mumbai, and they have come to Bangalore for a 1,000-kilometer ride experience, and they wanted to see if Nandi Hills is really good and they can ride with me here. So that's why I thought I'll accompany them. Bro, see the roads next, you will love it. So that is Roadrunner 250, and I'll honestly tell you, a lot of people who come to Bangalore really appreciate the infrastructure here. So that's why I chose this Nandi Hills, so that they can really appreciate what Bangalore has to offer, rather than getting stuck in shitty traffic. So we have crossed the airport toll now. That is actually the bike lane, and those idiots have taken the bike lane. Come on, man, have some common sense. So both of them are in love with the roads near Bangalore. They're like, roads are beautiful and I would come here every day if I had time. So I just don't want them to be ahead, and they don't know about the humps and everything. So that's why I don't want them to be ahead and lose control or something, because as you can see over here, people come into our lane when they're overtaking. So let me keep them safe while they're enjoying. As you can see, the hills and everything over there, I had never seen it so clearly, because we used to come in the morning and it's usually covered with mist or fog, and so I never really got to see it so clear and clean. Wow, Nandi Hills is beautiful, man. I was always looking for an excuse to come to Nandi Hills in the afternoon, and I found my Mumbai friends to be useful here. Even though it's so sunny out here, you see the shade that these trees are giving. Man, it's a bliss riding between these trees. Sometimes when you come in the morning and ride between these trees, actually it's really cold. Now you know the reason. Don't ride in the middle of the road, okay? Try to be on the left, complete left, and there are mud in between, so be careful. Man, the roads look so beautiful, guys. Wow. And I guess the roads have been completely repaired. I guess today I'll have the best fun because there is no traffic here. I don't want to leave them behind as well. Because they're new to this place, I just don't want to disappear, This feels like a proper motovlogger's meet, man. Wow, dude, Nandi Hills is so good. I guess I have to keep a subscribers meetup during a weekday and get my subscribers here, man. I am 100% sure that my friends are enjoying this ride. 100%. I have come to this Nandi Hills so many times, but today I feel like I can connect with this place even more. Wow. Mojo is really rocking it, man. The Pirellis are being properly used. I know these people ride in Lonavala all the time and they have their fun, but riding in Nandi Hills, is also a different kind of fun, man. You have hairpin bends, you have fast corners, you have blind corners, you know. This is one of the best places near Bangalore for sure, but it's overcrowded sometimes. Me and this Saurabh, no, we used to sit and talk. We still do. We still sit and talk about Formula 1 all the time. You know, we both are big fans of Sebastian Vettel, and we talk about it all the time, man. Like every post or a meme, it doesn't matter. We used to talk. That is what YouTube has given me, dude. An awesome friend. The view gets better and better and better. Would have thoroughly enjoyed 40 curves, and we have entered the top of Nandi Hills via bikes, and we'll stop here for a while and I'll take them up. So me, Roadrunner and Biker 390, we had a very good time speaking to each other, and we enjoyed the sunset as well. We'll try to take a photo over here. As you can see, if possible, I'll try to show you the sunset in Nandi Hills, and we'll take a pic together. I guess from here you can see the sunset. Yeah, there you go. So we'll stop here if possible and take a proper pic. The sun is setting in a nice way. We have all our bikes parked over here, and this is where I'll end the vlog. From here we'll be heading to a hotel to have snacks. It was nice riding with the Mumbai Motovloggers.